Okay, so if you've seen some of my videos in the past, we always come to the sand dunes after stovepipe wells in Death Valley. But usually when I get here, it's 110 to 120 degrees in August. And so we don't spend much time here. We walked out there a little bit, Haley and I, and Brooke and I hardly did any. But today, in late October, it's 70 degrees and sunny, as you can see, not a cloud in the sky. But anyways, we're gonna go out there in the sand dunes here in a few minutes and take some photos. Okay, so we're headed out in the sand dunes, 70-some degrees. You can tell by Kim's squint, it's really sunny.
I forgot my hat.
You better go get it. Okay, we're back. And now you can see Kim's got her hat on. Anyways, we'll take some photos, maybe a video out there and stuff. Looking forward to it. Kim has found what's considered a sand pencil out here in the wilderness. Yeah, that's Kim wanting to write and stuff without getting her shoes on. And she's gonna put my first and last name. People are gonna be looking me up on YouTube. You're crazy, Kim. We're supposed to be on a hike, but Kim's actually just writing stuff. Yep, here comes Kim and her pencil. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, now she's gonna write the girl's name. Everybody in Nevada is gonna know we were here. Now look, I'm gonna try to climb this sand dune. But this stuff's kind of slippery, so we're gonna find out. I'm gonna send Kim up that way, because that's tall. I'm gonna go up this way over here, it's not as steep. Sand, this is facing south. Look how the sand's kind of smooth on that side. Then you get on the backside, it's rippled where it's blowing over and landing in chunks, but it's an awesome sight. Okay, so way back in there you can see the cars, I think, right? Yeah. Way back over there. So we've come a little ways. And it's a little tiring getting up these sand dunes because it just slips away, so you're running like twice as fast as normal. Yeah. All right, so Kim and I are walking in the valley, I guess you could call it. But see that big sand pile in front of us? We're gonna try and climb up that one. It's not the tallest one out here, but it's a lot taller than I thought I'd climb today. Okay, I'm halfway up, but I'm going back a minute because what's kind of cool about being out here in the sand is look at the tracks you can see. Let's stop for a second. Like, what do you suppose made that? It's really cool. But if I scroll back, you can see it kind of goes up that way. Okay, Kim's trying to tightrope on the top of this dune. Basically all she's doing is tearing up the perfectly lined sand in the sand. But it's not too bad. So here's another set of prints. Pretty sure this is a lizard that we saw running across the sand. They look like that. Okay, tell me this doesn't look like somebody's professionally done back porch, right? But as Kim has pointed out, this is nothing more than sand that got wet and then hardened. Try to break that in half, Kim. See, look at that. It's just total sand inside. Falls apart. Incredible. At the gas station at Furnace Creek. It always cracks me up. People at home complain about gas prices. It's a big deal. $6.92 a gallon for premium. They're complaining. Hey Brian, I found us a golf course in Death Valley. It's 214 feet below sea level. I should call this like the rat maze because you walk through the path, but at times you don't know if it's turning left or right. So it's kind of like a corner maze, but in this case it's a small mountain maze. Like up here it turns left, so we're actually walking away from the car, so we want to go back. So I'm hoping this turns left. But we're going up a pretty good incline, so I'm breathing heavy because it's a lot going on. Okay, I decided to turn around because while that goes further up, that's enough for us right now. It's getting to be about 80 degrees. I didn't bring my water pack. I don't know, we've only been out here 10 or 15 minutes, so. But this will give you an idea of the incline going down, so. That's what we just came up. Yeah, Kim likes these. But, you know, you can continue to go up. I mean, these are just water channels. When it rains, water comes down through here and cuts this stuff out. But anyways, it's kind of cool to walk on. Artist Palette, if you ever come out here, check it out.